Para mais de 4 décadas, Animal Shelter Bonera estava um lugar de esperança para a bestia não abandonar, negligenciar e indesejar de isla. Lo que a começar na 1983 com um manhã de voluntário e de compaixão a crescer vir uma organização vital dedicada na resgate de bestia, reabilitação, educação e bem-estar. Bombini na Inside the Shelter. O programa aqui está assim possível para KFC Bonaire, Green Label, Magazine The Storehouse, Green Care Bonaire, Bondog Bonaire e Lions Club Bonaire.
Yeah. They are very hungry today. So this is our daily morning routine. We come in, we feed the cats. And as you can see, they are very excited every morning. He always gets special food on his special place. Same with this lady. And this is our morning routine, and then we always start with cleaning the litter boxes and cleaning here, and then we wait for our volunteers to come in because this is mostly volunteering, and then they're all happy again. And this is their toilet room, which every day has to be cleaned. We check also if their stools are okay, like if there's no diarrhea. Unfortunately, we have cockroaches. They like to eat that. They get diarrhea from that. So this is our daily cleaning. So in the morning, I start at 7:30 and I feed the cats. I take out the old bowls, put in the new bowls and feed them. Most of the time I will start with cleaning the litter boxes. But on Tuesday we have a volunteer that likes to do that, our lady Jane. And most of the time then I will just continue with going to quarantine. We also have a kitty crash and a boarding. So after that, I will leave it here to the volunteers.
Tras de cada animal salvado tem uma história de dedicação, sacrifício e compaixão. Hoje em dia, o Shelter prove um refúgio seguro para aproximadamente 165 cachorros e 70 puppies. Todo dia, um time dedicado de personal e voluntário trabalha incansavelmente para prover comida, cuidado médico, comodidade e oportunidade para um melhor futuro. O trajeto de Shelter não sempre está fácil. Reto financeiro, sobrepopulação e recursos limitados seguem teste sua resiliência. Doch, personal, voluntário, veterinário, donante e sostenedor queda unido por uma missão, dando animal uma chance para viver saudável e feliz.
We vullen elke morgen de bakken hier en we voeren 60 kilo aan hondenvoer. Dit zijn de bakjes voor de puppies. Op dit moment hebben we 17 puppies hier zitten. Ze krijgen brokken en ook natvoer erbij. En 's middags krijgen de pups ook nog eten. Nu lopen we naar de puppy kennel. We gaan eerst wat hondjes apart zetten, want niet alle honden kunnen gezamenlijk eten.
O impacto de Shelter extende hobby mais leu que suporta não. Para meio de educação e o programa de esterilização mais importante de Bonaire, Animal Shelter Bonaire ajuda a reduzir a sobrepopulação de bestia e prevenir sofrimento no futuro. Fora em 2004, a organização esteriliza mais de 10.000 bestias, mais que qualquer outro programa de isla, criando um impacto positivo duradouro para o bem-estar de bestia na Bonaire. Aunque o Shelter recebe subsídio chiquito do governo, depende hobby de generosidade de donante e sostenedor para seguir com seu trabalho. Cada resgate, adopção, tratamento médico e vida salvada tornam assim possível de uma comunidade que quer que cada bestia merece cuidado e compaixão.
Então, todo dia nós donamos 150 baht por dia. Então, tem cachorro que não pode comer muito. Todo dia tem uma repetição de donar cachorro na comida, 150 baht para todo dia, para todo cachorro. Tem cachorro que não pode comer muito. Então, não tem como separar. Tem cachorro que come muito, e daí não come para dentro couch ou para fora do couch. So, eu cachorro mais de couch aqui. A comer ouve pouco, então me tem um rato para eu poder comer. E a me põe em puma também para dentro. E a me vou seguir dona cachorro na comida. Turma isso aqui da minha rotina, maduna, tudo que eu comida. Então também, mais saúde eu tenho voluntário também com a Bini para ajudar a limpar o coach também. Turma hora comida na comida, sempre madrinha tem cura, também madrinha tem coach para me pôr na comida também.
Inside the Shelter tá série que está por trás de cortina de Animal Shelter Bonaire. Lobo topa ainda não que está a trabalho aqui possível, tá testigo de reto não que está enfrentar e descobrir e éxito não que está coordenando de como na missão tá importante. Essa aqui tá mais que a história de refúgio para bestia, é uma história de compaixão, resiliência e de duas chances.
We are feeding the mother. She has 5 pups, and after when she is eating, we go clean, and then she gives the little ones some drink, and then they go into sleep. Now we have here one mother dog, and it's very special because she was pregnant when she brings here, and now she has 5 puppies.
Nos vai cana com o cachorro na quarentena e nos vai dar comida e nos cana com o cachorro nos pia para dia. Okay, so we walk the dogs 2 times a day because they need their movement and they need to go pee and poo outside. Some dogs in our kennels do not do it in their kennel. They're very clean, like Ferdinand. He doesn't do anything in his kennel, so we walk with him twice a day. But overall, it's very important for dogs to walk, go outside and walk on a lead because it gets them used to everything. They will not get scared. Most of them didn't walk on a lead, so it's also a learning experience for them. So we can get them all ready for adoption. So they're calm and know what's happening when they are going out for a walk.
He really wants to go.
Okay, here we have our puppies. At the moment we have 25 puppies. These are the younger ones from 4 months up to 8 months. We also have in our special area a mommy dog with her babies. Almost every week we get a call about a dog in need, like a mama dog that needs help or another dog that people cannot take care for. They go first in quarantine and then they end up here at the front of the shelter ready for adoption. So like I said, in total we have 25 puppies and we've got around 130 adult dogs. So nós temos 25 puppies now, ando 140 adultos. Nós temos pushi também. É total de 80 pushi nós temos que cuidar para todo dia. Over here is the cat palace. And the cat palace is run by our volunteers. They come 7 days a week. They're different people every time, but they care for the cats. And that's why it's a palace, because they have their own servants in here.
Okay, so we're gonna pick up Tess. Tess was brought to us as an 8-week-old puppy. He was adopted out 4 weeks later. And he's been with that owner for a year. Then he was brought back again because he was too energetic for them. Tess listens very well and he loves going on walks. He's very sweet and cuddling. He just wants a loving home. Yeah.
Come, Tess. Listen, Tess.
Okay. So Tess is not much of a guard dog. He's more of a family dog. He loves to just cuddle and going on walks, just have a chill life. And he really deserves it too. Yeah, yeah. So he's very calm on the leash. He can walk very good. And when he's get to know you, he will be very, very chill. Very chill.
En el siguiente episodio.
It's hard to see the sad faces, try to find new homes, and that's not, sometimes you cannot find a new home for an animal if it's like badly abused or malnourished, and yeah, sometimes we have to say goodbye to an animal if we cannot keep it here.